Hi, my name is Lobsang Wangdu. I'm with yourwangdu.com. I would like to show you how to make Tibetan bread. I'm making Balep Korkun. Balep means in Tibetan bread and Korkun means this kind of bread. I'm cooking for 2 people, so I'm going to use 1 cup of all-purpose white flour and 1 cup of wheat flour, then 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Now I'm mixing flour with water, so this is 1 cup of water. Now I'm going to mix them very well together. Okay, it's ready now. So dough is pretty soft and it's pretty good. Now I'm putting the dough in a plastic bag. It's going to sit a couple hours like this. So now I'm going to knead a little bit, and you have to make like this, and I'm not making any measurement, just kind of eyeball it. If this is too big, you can just, or you can kind of fill it. If this is too small, just add a little dough. That's all you have to do. And like this. I want to make this is the round shape I'm going to make. So you don't have to be really perfect round. So it's just turn around, just do it like this. It's pretty straightforward. So after you're done, it looks like this shape. So if you really want to be round, you can do like this, and then kind of, you can mess with it a little bit. Yeah. It's pretty warm, so I'm going to put the balep. It's right now it's high, so I'm gonna leave it on high like maybe 2 minutes. So now it's cooking, so almost 2 minutes. So I'm gonna just turn around because I don't want to get one side burned. So I'm gonna heat down like half. So in a little while. Basically one side I'm gonna cook 5 minutes and the other side 5 minutes. Basically total cooking time is 10 minutes. Now after 5 minutes I'm gonna turn the other way. Yes. So let them cook other side 5 minutes. No, it's almost done. I'm just turning around because I want to evenly cooked. That sometimes fire is not equally divided, so I just move around so it cooks better. Now I'm gonna cut the bread inside. What it looks like. I'm gonna show you how it looks like inside bread. It's really hot. Extremely hot. Be careful, don't burn your hand. Look at it. It's so steamy. This is good. I'm going to put some butter and jam. Tasty. Looking pretty good. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you're enjoying cooking Tibetan bread. So please leave us comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.